Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to avoid tolls and highways on Google Maps. So we can harden your driving preferences. So launch the maps, move your cursor straight to the upper right corner and select your profile picture right here. And then guys, just like me, just type in your destination path in this search bar. Then click the blue directions button right here, and then input your starting location in the top data box. Then you just look directly below your starting and ending address in the control panel and click Options Text Link right over here, this button. Okay, and the configuration drop-down panel will slide open, and under the section labeled Avoid, check the boxes for highways and tolls. Check both of these. And then when you check those, the map canvas recompiles the layout, forcefully dropping the major transit lanes and drawing a clean, toll-free background alternative path right on your monitor. That is it, pretty simply done in just a few steps. Enjoy guys, and as always, like and subscribe.